There. Welcome back to Adam Academy. I'm Arifa. Come on, let's get started and let me continue these sums. I've already done 1 to 24 sums. Now this is 25th sum. These are all whatever I'm going to do today are all the 3 mark questions. Okay. Now find the mode of the given data. To find the given mode of a given data, first rule is we need to find out which is the highest frequency. These are the class intervals and this is the frequency. In this highest frequency is 15. Let me round up this. We'll highlight this. This is called as a modal class. This is called as a modal class. And L, this is a lower limit, 5 is a lower limit. And this is FO, F1, F2. Let us write continuous. Now here whatever is given, let me write here L equals to, L is nothing but the lower limit. Lower limit equals to 5. FO equals to 9. F1 equals to 15. F2 equals to 9. Okay. Now we need to find out the size of the class interval. Size of the class interval is 5 minus 7 is 2, or we say 7 minus 5 is 2. What is the difference between these class? Whichever class interval you want you can take, but all the class interval has got 2 difference. So we'll take H equals to 2. Now the formula for this mode is mode equals to L plus F1 minus FO upon 2 F1 minus FO minus F2 into H. This is the formula for mode. Let us substitute the values. L value is 5, 5 plus, so F1 is 15, FO is 9 upon 2 into F1 is 15 minus FO is 9 minus F2 is 9 again, and the size of the class interval is 2 equals to 5 plus, now when you subtract these two we get 6 upon, now here 15 twos are 30. As it has got the same sign, let us add 9 plus 9 is 18, so with the same sign into 2, which is equals to 5 plus, now this is 16 divided by, so we get here 12 into 2. Okay, you can either multiply or directly can do cancellations. I'll go with this. So 6 twos are 12 upon 12. Okay, 12 ones are 12 ones are. This is 5 plus 1 equals to 6. I hope this is clear. Find the mean for the given distribution by direct method. In this question they may ask you find mode or mean. They may give median or mean, they may give, or mode or median they may give, like this. We need to choose whichever we want. Okay, so as I've already done the mode sum, now we'll go with the mean here. This is only the table given. Now I have drawn the extra columns here, that is xi and fi(xi). What do you mean by xi? Xi is nothing but the class mark. Class mark means lower limit plus upper limit by 2. We need to add these two and by 2 we have to do. Then only we are going to get the middlemost class interval here. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 by 2 is 3. We will add these both. So 5 plus 9 is 14. 5 plus 9 equals to 14. 14 by 2 when I do, I get 7. Understood, girls? Now when we add this, 9 plus 13 will be 22. 22 upon 2 will be 11. Okay, 13 plus 17 equals to 10, 20, 30. 30 upon 2 when when we divide this, we are going to get 15. Okay, 21 plus 17 plus 21 will be 2, 3, 38. You get 38 by 2. When you do, you get 19. Okay, students. Now FI is nothing but we need to multiply this. 4 3s are 12, 3 7s are 21, 11 5s are 55, 15 7s are 105, 19 1s are 19. Now when we add all this, I am going to get 212. Okay. Now similar way, this will be sigma FI, and this when we add, we are going to get, and this will be 20. Okay. Now let us apply the formula here. This is nothing but sigma FI is the total of all these frequencies. This is sigma FI. This is the total of all FIXIs. Now mean formula, mean X bar is equal to sigma FIXI upon sigma FI equals to sigma FIXI is nothing but 212 upon 20. Okay. Now let us cancel this. 2 10s are 2 1s are 2. You cannot take two numbers together. We need to place 0 and take two numbers together. Equal to 6 equals to, when we divide this, I am going to get 10.6. Prove that the length of tangents drawn from the external point to a circle are equal. This is a circle. Okay. The tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. So these are two tangents which is touching the circle at only one point. This is O is the center of a circle. I'll just name this external point as P, and the point of contact will be AB. Okay. So let me write data. Data is, we just write O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. PA and PB are two tangents drawn to a circle. PA and PB are the two tangents drawn from an external point. Now here to prove that both the tangents are equal, PA and PB. So both the tangents PA equals to PB, we have to prove. Construction. We have to join AO, OB and OP. We need to do construction here. Join OA, OB and OP. This is what the construction we need to do. Then proof. As you can see that we have got two triangles. Let us compare these two triangles here. In triangle AOP and BOP, AOP and triangle BOP. Okay, we can just start comparing. I'll just say, as it is perpendicular, we say angle A equals to angle B, which is equals to 90 degrees. Okay, so OA and OB, OA equals to OB, they are the radii of the circle. Okay, now OP is common to both these triangles, so I say OP equals to OP is common. So always we have to write three comparisons. Therefore triangle AOP is congruent to triangle BOP. Therefore PA equals to PB. So we have proved this theorem. Hope this is clear to you all, students. Find the area of quadrant of a circle Okay, quadrant. This is a circle. Okay, it is divided into 4 parts. So each part is called as a quadrant. So quadrant angle will be exactly equal to 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. So we need to find the area of quadrant of a circle where the circumference of the circle is 44 centimeter. Here radius is not given. We need to find out the radius first. Okay, circumference C equals to 2 pi r. Okay, so or else I can write circumference equals to 44 centimeter. Okay, circumference is nothing but 2 pi r equals to 44. Now 2 into pi value will be 22 by 7 into radius equals to 44. Now 22 into 2 is 44 upon 7, r equals to 44. Now let me do cross multiplication. R equals to, after equals to we have got 44. Let us shift the 7 to the other side and 44 in the denominator. 44 gets cancelled. So r equals to 7 centimeter. We got the radius of the circle. Now we need to find out the area of quadrant. So area of quadrant equals to theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta value is 90. 90 upon 360 into pi is 22 by 7. R square. R we have got 7. Let me write 2 times. Okay, now 7 gets cancelled, 0 gets cancelled, 9 1s are 9 4s are. Now here 2 2s are 2 11s are. Now as you can see, numerator has got 11 and 7. So 11 7s are 77 upon 2 equals to. Now let me divide this. 2 1s are 2 3s are 6, 1 remainder, 17 you get. 2 8s are 16, 1 remainder, so 0.5. So total we are going to get 38.5 is the area of the circle. I hope this is clear. We need to prove sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 divided by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 equals to 1 upon secant theta minus tan theta. So as you can see, RHS has got secant theta and tan theta. Secant theta is nothing but the reciprocal of cos. Okay, tan theta is also sin by cos, sin theta by cos theta. As you can see, both the denominators has got cos. So let me divide both the numerator and denominator by cos theta. So let me write divide both numerator and denominator by cos theta. Now let me write here sin theta by cos theta minus cos theta by cos theta plus 1 divided by cos theta whole divided by again sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta by cos theta minus 1 upon cos theta. Okay, now first what we have done, cos theta. As you can see, secant theta is nothing but 1 by cos, tan theta is sin by cos. Both has got the denominator cos. So let me divide our LHS with the cos theta. Now after this, sin theta by cos theta is nothing but tan theta minus cos gets cancelled, we get 1 here, plus 1 by cos is secant theta upon this is tan theta plus, let me cancel this, I get 1 minus 1 upon cos will be secant theta. Hope this is clear. Then equals to, as it is in denominator, we'll just leave this numerator as it is. We'll disturb only the denominator. Okay, now here tan theta minus 1 plus secant theta. Please don't disturb numerator. We'll check only the denominator here. So this will be tan theta. I'll shift this 1 to the other side, minus secant theta plus 1. Okay, so what is the identity of 1 here? We know secant square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. Okay, so 1 can be written as secant square minus tan square. Okay, now here which is equals to, let me write the numerator as it is. Let us not disturb the numerator. Now here, as we have got the answer in secant and tan, first we will write secant minus secant theta, okay, plus tan theta plus. Now 1 can be written as secant square theta minus tan square theta. Okay, students. Now here which is equals to, numerator you write again as it is, minus 1 plus secant theta. Now we'll just group groupings here, minus of secant theta minus tan theta plus, this is in the form of a square minus b square. Can you see, students? This can be written as a square minus b square. A square minus b square will be a plus b, a minus b. Okay, hope this is clear. Then after this, please write down numerator as it is, that is tan theta minus 1 plus secant theta as it is. Now whole divide by. In this you can see that secant minus tan both are same. We'll take this common. Secant theta minus tan theta is a common term. Now bracket. So when secant theta minus tan theta is gone, in that place minus 1 is left over, plus this leftover terms, let me write, plus secant theta plus tan theta. Hope this is clear. Equal to, write the numerator as it is. You can just check here. Tan theta is positive, 1 is negative, and secant theta is also positive. Let me cancel the whole set. Okay, we are going to get 1 upon secant theta minus tan theta. Here this is LHS and this is RHS. Cos theta minus 2 cos cube theta upon 2 sin cube theta minus sin theta. Now LHS we need to consider to find RHS. Now in these two you can see cos theta is common. Okay, when cos theta is common, here 1 is left over, 1 minus 2, cos theta is gone, so we get here cos square theta upon, in these two sin theta is common. Now sin theta is common, so 2 sin square theta minus 1 is left over. So take the numerator. Okay, we have got the identity, that is cos square theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. You can either use identity here or here, so you cannot disturb both numerator and denominator. Understood, students? If you want, you can substitute the identity here or here. I'll go with the numerator. We know sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. We want cos square, so we'll shift sin square to the other side. Cos square theta equals to 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, so cos theta into 1 minus 2 into, only cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sin square theta. Hope this is clear, students. Upon sin theta, please don't disturb denominator, you keep it as it is, 2 sin square theta minus 1. Okay, now cos theta into, So 1 as it is minus, let me multiply these both. 2 ones are 2, minus into minus is plus, 2 sine square theta upon sine theta into 2 sine square theta minus 1. Okay, now you can see 1 minus 2 is minus 1 we get, correct? 1 minus 2 is nothing but minus 1. So here cos theta into, let me take the positive number first, 2 sine square theta minus 1 upon sine theta into 2 sine square theta minus 1. You can see the denominator, the same I have written. So this full set will get cancelled. Cos theta by sine theta is nothing but cot theta. So this is your RHS. Hope this is clear, students. Prove that root 5 is an irrational number. Okay, so we have to prove that root 5 is an irrational number. So let me write here, root 5 equals to P by Q. Okay, we'll do cross multiplication here. Root 5 Q equals to P. Let me square both the sides. Square both the sides. So root 5 Q whole square equals to P square. Okay. Now root 5 into root 5 will be 5 Q square equals to P square. Now I'll take this 5 here. Q square equals to P square upon 5. So now I write 5 divides P square. Even 5 also divides P. Okay. Now let me write this as equation 1. Okay, students. So let us take, let P equals to 5k. As we have got 5, we will take 5k. If we have 3, we'll take 3k. If we have 2, we'll take 2k. Okay. Now let P equals to, so let us substitute. Let me say substitute P equals to 5k in equation 1. This is the equation. So 5q square equals to P square is the equation. Now here 5q square equals to, what is the value of P is 5k whole square. So 5q square equals to, 5 is multiplied 2 times, 5 5s are 25 k square. Get this 25 down here, 5q square upon 25 equals to k square. Now 5 ones are 5 5s are. So I get q square upon 5 equals to k square. Right? I can say 5 divides q square, 5 divides q. 5 divides q square, and even we can say 5 divides q. Hope this is clear. And the final conclusion will be 5 divides P and Q. Therefore, root 5 is an irrational number. Is an irrational number. Hope this is clear to you all. In what ratio does the point ratio? So we need to find out M1, M2. This is what we need to find. In what ratio does the point minus 4, 6 divides a line segment? Students, this is a line segment. So minus 4, 6 divides the line segment minus 6, 10 and 3 minus 8. Hope this is clear to you all. So we need to find out the ratio. In what ratio does this point divides the line segment, join the points is 2. We need to find out M1, N2 at what ratio minus 4, 6 is divided. We need to find out this. So we are going to use a section formula, that is, this will be xy, This is x1, y1, x2, y2. I'll write here. Let me name this as A minus 6 comma 10. B is 3 comma minus 8. And P, let me name this as minus 4, 6. This is A, B and P, let me take. Okay. This is x1, y1, x2, y2 and the P1 will be x comma y. Let me write the formula here. This is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2 is the section formula, equals to, what about m1 m2 is not given. Let me write as it is. X2 value will be 3 plus m2, x1 value is minus 6 whole divided by m1 plus m2 comma. So this is m1 as it is. Y2 is minus 8 plus m2, y1 will be 10 upon m1 plus m2, but we know pxy value is minus 4 comma 6, equals to, this will be 3m1 plus into minus is minus 6m2 upon m1 plus m2 comma, this will be minus 8m1 plus 10m2 upon m1 plus m2. This is minus 4 comma 6. We will equate the coordinates of x here, then y. Any one you can take. Okay, I will take x coordinates. So you can see this is x and this is x. So obviously x we are going to equate. So this will be 3m1 minus 6m2 upon m1 plus m2 equals to minus 4. Okay, let me do cross multiplication. That is 3m1 minus 6m2 equals to, shift here, minus 4 into m1 plus m2. Okay, now 3m1 minus 6m2 equals to, let me multiply these both. I get minus 4m1 and even these both also, minus into plus is minus 4m2. Let me rearrange all m1s to one side and m2 to the other side. Here 3m1, here we have got minus 4m1. If it comes to the left hand side becomes plus 4m1 equals to, so if this is gone, this is left over, which is minus 4m2 and m2 I'll take here, this becomes 6m2. Okay, when we add these both you get 7m1 equals to, minus into plus is minus, let us subtract, I get 2m2. Okay, so m1 upon m2 equals to, after equals to I have got to take this 7 down. That means m1 value is 2, m2 value is 7. Therefore m1 is to m2 equals to 2:7. I hope this is clear to you all. In an arithmetic progression, the sum of 5th and 9th term. In the previous sum there was only one term, but here we have got two terms, that is 5th and 9th term, and the sum of 8th and 14th terms. So we have got two terms here. So we are going to use A5 plus, as it is a sum, plus A9 equals to 40, and next one is A8 plus A14 equals to 64, and we need to find the sum of first 20 terms. Yes, 20 we need to find out, students. Understood? Now this will be A5 can be written as A plus 4D plus A9 can be written as A plus 8D equals to 40. That means we need to reduce 1 from this term. So A plus A will be 2A plus, when we add these two D's, 4D and AD, we get 12D equals to 40. So now as this gets divisible by 2, so by 2, if you do, I'm going to get A plus 60 equals to 20. This is equation 1. Now here we go. A8 can be written as A plus 7D plus A plus 14 can be 1 reduced, so it is 13D equals to 64. AA is 2A plus, when we add 7 plus 13 is 20D equals to 64. This all gets divisible by 2 table. So I'll write here A plus 10D equals to 32. This is equation 2. Okay. Now from 192, as we have got equation 192, we will go with the elimination method here to find the values of A and B. A plus 60 equals to 20 and A plus 10D equals to 32 we get here. Now as the coefficients are same, we'll just change the sign so that we can cancel this easily. Okay, this gets cancelled. So plus into minus is minus. Let us subtract. We get 4D, which is minus 4D. And when you subtract these two, I'm going to get 12. Okay. Now with the greater number sign, minus minus gets cancelled. D equals to 12 upon 4. 4 ones are 4 threes are. So D equals to 3. So we got the value of D. Now it is easy to find out the value of A here. You can use any one of this equation to get the value of A. So A plus 60 equals to 20. I've used first equation. So A plus 6 into 3 equals to 20. So A plus 6 threes are 18 equals to 20. So A equals to, after equals to we have got 20. Let us shift to the other side. I get minus 18. A equals to, when we subtract these two, I'm going to get 2. I hope this is clear. So we know the value of A, we know the value of D, then we know the value of N. Then let us find out S20 here. Let me write N equals to 20, A equals to 2, D equals to 3. Okay. Now let us apply the formula. Sn equals to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is S20 equals to n value is 20 upon 2 into 2a value is 2 plus 20 minus 1 into d value is 3, which is equals 2 ones are 2 tens are. I get here 10 into 2 twos are 4 plus 19 into 3. Okay. Now this is 10 into 4 plus 19 into 3 is 57. Now 10 into, so 57 plus 4 is 61. So 610 is the final answer. Hope this is clear to you all students. In an arithmetic progression, the sum of the first 8 terms is 136 and the sum of first 15 terms is 465. As the word sum is given, sum of 8 terms, let me write S8 equals to 136 and the sum of 15 terms S15 equals to 465, and we need to find the sum of first 25 terms. This is what we need to find out, students. Okay. Here let me apply Sn formula. Sn equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is a formula where we know the value of n equals to 8. Wherever you have got n, we'll just substitute with 8, students. Here S of 8 equals to 8 upon 2 into 2a plus n value is 8, 8 minus 1 into d. So S8 value is 136 equals to 2 ones are 2 fours are 4 into 2a plus 8 minus 1 is 7d. Hope this is clear. Now we'll take this 7 down. 136 sorry, we'll take this 4 down. 136 upon 4 equals to 2a plus 7d. Okay, so now this is 4 ones are 4 3s are 12, 1 remainder, 4 4s are 16. Now I get here 2a plus 7d equals to 34. Let me make this as equation 1, right? Now next, again the same formula will repeat. Sn equals to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now as we know the value of n is 15, let me write here. Wherever we have got n, we'll just substitute with 15 here. So 15 equals to 15 upon 2 into 2a plus n value is 15, 15 minus 1 into d, right? Now S15, the value of S15 is 465 equals to, we cannot cancel these both, let us keep that number as it is. Now this is 2a plus 15 minus 1 is 14d. Okay, we'll just do cross multiplication. So 465 into 2 upon 15 equals to 2a plus 14d. If you know 15 table, you can directly cancel, or you can go with 5 table as well. So let me try with 5 here. 5 3s are 5 9s are 45, 1 remainder, 5 3s are 15. Okay, again this will get divisible by 3 table. 3 1s are 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Now when you multiply these two, you get 62. Okay, now 2a plus 14d equals to 62. This is equation 2, right? Now as we have got two equations, we will solve by elimination method. So from equation from 192, I get here 2a plus 7d equals to 34, and the second equation is 2a plus 14d equals to 62. As you can see, both the coefficients are same. We cannot cancel actually. So to cancel this, we need to change the sign. Here we have got plus, this is minus, plus minus, plus minus. We'll cancel this. Okay, now plus into minus is minus. Let us subtract. I get 70 with greater number sign. Here we get 28. Okay, greater number sign. Minus minus cancels. We get d equals to 28 upon 7. Okay, 7 ones are 7, 4s are. So d equals to 4. So we got the value of d. We need to find out the value of a using first equation or second equation. The choice is yours. I'll go with equation 1. That is 2a plus 7d equals to 34. 2a plus 7 into d value is 4 equals to 34. Now 2a plus 7 4s are 28 equals to 34. So 2a equals to, after equals to we have got 34. We'll take it to other side. It becomes minus 28. So 2a equals to 6 we get. A equals to, after equals to we have got 6, 6 upon 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are. Therefore a equals to 3. We get a equals to 3. Right. Now as we know the values of a and d, now it is easy to find out. A is 25. Here n value is 25, a value is 3, and d value is 4. Okay, now we need to find out S25. Again I'm going to repeat the formula. Sn equals to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, this is equal to s, n value is 25, n value is 25 upon 2 into 2, a value is 3 plus n value is 25 minus 1, D value is 4. Now 25 upon 2 into 2 3s are 6 plus 25 minus 1 is 24 into 4 equals to 25 upon 2 into 6 plus 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 9 I am going to get, which is equals to 25 upon 2. When we add these two, we are going to get 102. Okay. Now 2 1s are, 2 5s are, and 2 1s are here. So 25 into 51. If we multiply 25 into 51, 5, 25, 26, 27, 2 5s are 10, 11, 12. I'm going to get 1275. So S25 will be 1275. Hope this is clear to you all. We need to find out the quadratic polynomial having zeros 5 and 3. So we need to find out the quadratic polynomial where zeros are given. Let me write zeros. Alpha equals to 5 and beta equals to 3. The sum will be alpha plus beta. What is alpha? Is 5 plus 3 equals to 8. The product will be alpha beta. Alpha is 5 and beta is 3. 5 3s are 15 we get, right? Now quadratic polynomial equation is x square minus sum of x plus product. This is the equation to find the quadratic polynomial. X square minus sum is 8, 8 into x plus product is 15. So this is a quadratic polynomial. Hope this is clear to you all. We have got here two dice numbered from 1 to 6 on its each face. We have got a die. So the die has got total 6 faces. How many? 6 faces. And these two dice are tossed to only once, or we say it is rolled only once. Find the probability of getting the numbers whose sum is greater than 8. Okay. Now as you can see, these are possible outcomes: 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6 till 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, 6 6 like this. These are the possible outcomes. Total possible outcomes are 36. So here 6 and here 6. 6 6 are 36. So total number I can say n of s equals to 36. Okay. Now what is a condition? What is a favorable outcome here? Favorable outcome is the sum is greater than 8. Sum is greater than 8. Let us check. So do we get here more than 8? More than 8 will be 9, 10, 11 like that. So this is 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, it is not possible. Here 2 plus 1 is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So again we are not getting more than 8. 3 plus 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we get this number which is more than 8. We got only 1. 4 plus 1 is 5, 6, 7, 8. So more than 8 will be these two. So we have got 2 in number. 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 plus 2 is 7. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now from here onwards we got 3 brackets which is more than 8 here. Now here we can see 6 plus 1 is 7, 8, 9. So from here onwards we got the numbers. The sum is more than 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. When we add this, I'm going to get 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10 outcomes which is greater than 8. The sum is greater than 8. Let me write the outcomes. Outcomes here. The outcomes are, I'll write here 3, 6, 4, 5, 4, 6. Okay. Then 5 4, 5 5, 5 6, then 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, 6 6. Okay, the total are 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Total are 10. So we'll take this as n of a. Okay, we'll consider this as n of a. Now here, what is the formula? Okay, probability of an event equals to favorable outcomes by total outcomes, or we just simply write n of a upon n of s, which is equals to, what is n of a? We got the favorable outcomes were 10 and by total is 36. Okay, this is probability of an event. You can cancel this. 2 5s, 2 1s, 2 8s. So your answer is, so 5 upon 18 is the answer, students.